world. Today we have my own laptop.
Okay.
Lenovo Ideapad S145.
Okay, so let's see. You can see this is the tag of the laptop. It is clearly written over here that the model number is Lenovo Ideapad S145. Screen size is 39.62 centimeter, and you see the MRP is written over here around 66,000. But if you buy from Amazon or Flipkart, they can give around 10-15% of discount. So if you want to buy this laptop, you can check the link given in the description. With this laptop, you can see
Home and Student Office 2019
it
versus
is freely installed, or you can say it is pre-installed with this laptop, and it is also having Windows 10 Home. So what we will do today, we will unbox it
and check the specification.
and also try to play with it and see the performance of it. So let's start the unboxing.
Yeah. Easy unboxing.
Yeah.
So here is the laptop. You can see that we take it out. It is very light.
Yeah. This 15-inch, so it's really large one.
Yeah. And light also.
Yeah.
15.6 inch.
So this is maybe the instruction manual, and this is the laptop. And what are the other things with the box? Kindly check it.
Yeah. There is the laptop.
Yeah.
There is the warranty.
Yes.
Warranty card. And there is the charger.
Okay, so which kind of charger it is? Please open it. Okay. So is there any special features in the charger? Yeah.
I think this can be this is removable.
Okay, but nothing. Okay, something is written over here. You can see.
Out from this package.
So it's Lenovo AC adapter. Nothing special. It's just a normal charger. And I think nothing. This is only two things is available. There is no laptop bag or backpack is available with this laptop.
Yeah, and see, here is the laptop.
Okay, it's really looking nice.
Yeah, there is the Lenovo branding. See over here. And see the back of this laptop. There is Windows sign which indicates there is original Windows 10, not pirated one.
Okay.
And let's open the laptop.
Yeah. So you can see we have opened it. So it's really looking nice. It's steel color, you can say. It's not a black one. It's steel color.
Two color variants are available.
Okay.
One is grey and one is silver. We have the silver one.
Okay, and in this laptop, whatever it is mentioned over here, you can see it is Core i5 10th generation. It has Dolby Audio, stylish design, two-side narrow, and it is also almost, you can see, 180 degree. Just see, yeah, you can see it's almost 180 degree. It's not
almost.
fully 180 degree, but it's almost 180 degree.
Yeah. And we can pick it with one hand also. This much light.
Yeah, so it is really good for your home use or also for office purpose.
And the bezels are really narrow.
Yeah, very narrow bezels, and you can see the camera also, webcam also.
720p camera.
Yeah, so webcam is also there.
And there is the Lenovo branding again.
Okay, so let's start it for first time.
Yeah.
So you can see it is starting.
So you see here we are opening my laptop for the first time, but it is installing. So we will be right back when it is installed. So it is saying that just a moment. So let's see what to do next. So see
here, put up the Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do.
it's a lot of
Use
things.
your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen.
Okay.
If you need an assistive screen reader, press the Windows, Control, and Enter keys at the same time to turn on narrator. Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in.
So it is asking for the region. So let's set it to India for now. Then click yes. Just a moment. Then is the keyboard layout right? Yes, it is right. Yes. No, I don't want because it is not a touchscreen laptop. Skip. So it is asking for network connection. Let's do it. So we have completed the Wi-Fi setups and it is saying that now we have some important setup to do. So let's do some important setups. Now it is asking for Windows 10 license agreement. So let's accept it. Just a moment. It is saying, oh, let's do the name Arvind's World. Do you guys know the spelling of it? It is ARVINWORLD. So at the right side there is a SD card.
This is the SD card, SD or micro SD card slot. You can see.
And there is the microphone and audio jack.
Yeah, and this side you can see 3 USB port is there.
And two 3.0 and one 2.0 ports.
Okay, and this one is for HDMI port. This is for the charging. This is charging LED, and this is also a one LED, power LED, and anything else. And the one thing, if you see what I have observed, the ventilation is over here. So all the hot air from this laptop will coming out from this ventilation. So this is something new. Yeah, good thing, and it is something new design. And regarding this keypad, it's good, and this is also very good. This touchpad also very good, and overall performance we will check how it's look like.
Arvind's World, please subscribe.
Yeah, and if you please stay with us till the end, and if you like this video, please do subscribe our channel, share with your friends, and if you have any comments or if you have any question, just comment. We will give you the answer.
We have,
So you can see it is powered on for the first time.
yeah.
So if you want to know how the setup, we already explained. So setup is also very easy.
Yeah.
It is not at all difficult. And also, there is only one drive, only C drive. So we have partitioned this C drive into D drive also. We do have another video. I am giving in the link. You can see that video, how to partition C to D drive.
Yeah.
And
Its model number is laptop 1S145. Processor is Intel i5 10th gen. 8 GB RAM is available. Its operating system is 64 bits and no touch is available with this laptop. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe. If you like this video, click the subscribe button, press the bell icon and